Hey everyone, I'm Tobunyo and welcome back to the Pandora Plus tutorial series. In the previous video, we set up all our game data, items, NPC, quest, and location inside the Pandora editor. Now it's time to bring everything to life. In this episode, we'll build the game world, create our player character, set up NPCs, and wire everything together. Let's start by creating our first location. I'm setting up a new scene for Willowmere and configuring the tileset we'll use to paint the map. With the tileset ready, let's build out both maps. Now we need a way to detect when the player enters a new area. For this, we'll create a LocationArea node. It's a simple area 2D with a script that will emit a signal when the player steps inside. We'll use this in the next video to complete a location-based quest. Let me set up the location areas in both scenes, each with its own collision shape covering the area we want to detect. Time for our player. We need the character body 2D, with a sprite, animations for each direction, a collision shape, and our interactable area. This area will detect when we're standing near an NPC, so we can interact with them. While we're at it, let's also adjust the project settings. Canvas texture to nearest for the crisp pixel art look, window mode to canvas items, and stretch to expand. Now the player script. This is the core of our gameplay. First, we initialize the player through Pandora Plus using the player manager. We set up base stats like health, mana, attack, defense, and movement speed. For movement, we read the input and apply velocity. The interesting part is that the player actual speed comes from the runtime stats. So, if something in the game modifies your movement speed, it's automatically reflected here. We also set up the interaction command, so we can press the action key near an NPC, the player talks to them. Let's create our first NPC, Finn. It's a simple character body 2D with a sprite, a name label that appears when the player is nearby, and a collision shape. No animation for now, keep it simple. The NPC script will be shared across all our characters. It handles showing and hiding the name label when the player approaches. And then most importantly, the interaction method. When you talk to an NPC, we call the quest manager to track that interaction. This is how Pandora Plus knows you completed a talk objective. Back in player script, let's update it to use the NPC class for interactions. When the player presses the action key, we check if there is an NPC in the interactable area, and call the interact method. Now I'll create the remaining 3 NPC following the same pattern: Elara, Vos, and All Brown, each with their own sprite and name label, all using the same NPC script. With all our NPC ready, let's place them in their location. Finn and Old Bram go in Willowmere, while Lara and Voss are stationed at Thornwood Crossing. The word script handles save game loading. When the scene starts, we check if there is a saved state. If so, we restore the player's position and load the state for every manager, quest, NPC, and player data. Let's also update the LocationArea script. When the player enters the area, it emits a location reach signal that will connect to the UI in the next video. Before we run the game, let's configure Pandora Plus settings. I'm setting the maximum inventory slot to 20. Disabling autosave since we'll handle that manually in the next video, and limiting save slots to 1. Alright, first run. And we have errors. The NPC and the location areas aren't linked to their Pandora entities yet. Let's assign the correct NPCs, entities, and location entities to each one. Second run. Another error, this time in the player script. Some conditions in the interaction logic were written incorrectly. Quick fix and let's try again. Third attempt. No reference error. Okay. I was calling a method on an object after setting it to null. The fix is simple: swap the order and add an extra check to make sure the NPC leaving the area is the same one we interacted with. Okay, let's try again. One NPC still isn't showing its name property. Turns out it was created different from the others. The other three were created from the NPC type, but this one was a character body 2D with the NPC script attached. Recreating in the same way as the other fixes. Okay, final run, I think. Okay, the player moves between Willowmere and Thornwood Crossing, approaches NPC, says their name pop up, and interact with them. Everything works. In the next video, we'll build the UI layer, inventory, quest log, crafting, notifications, and a full save and load save system. See you there!